What if I told you that just 5 AI tools could completely transform your business, your creativity, and your productivity in 2023? I've personally tested over 500 AI tools, and today, I'm revealing the only 5 you actually need. Don't waste any more time on mediocre tools, stick around, and I'll show you the most powerful AI tools that will put you miles ahead of the competition. The ultimate AI writing tool, if you create any kind of written content, this first tool is going to blow your mind. It's called Jasper AI, and it's like having a team of world-class copywriters in your back pocket. With Jasper, you can generate highly engaging, original content in seconds, from blog posts to add copy to product descriptions and more. Just input some basic parameters and watch Jasper work its magic, crafting content that sounds completely human. It even has templates for things like video scripts, email campaigns, and social media posts. If you struggle with writer's block or just need a fast way to create high-quality written content, Jasper is the tool for you. The AI design tool that makes you look like a pro Canva is great, but if you want to take your designs to the next level, you need to be using Lumen 5. This incredible tool uses AI to instantly transform any text content into stunning, professional-grade visuals. Just paste in your blog post or article, and Lumen 5 will create an entire visual story around it, complete with graphics, stock photos, and even short video clips. It has templates for social media posts, presentations, infographics, and more. If you want to make your brand look incredible without spending hours on design work, Lumen 5 is the answer. The AI tool that makes you an instant SEO expert if driving traffic from Google is important to your business. And let's face it, whose isn't? Then you need to be using ClearScope. This amazing tool uses AI to analyze top-performing content for any keyword and tells you exactly what you need to include in your own content to compete. It looks at things like keyword frequency, readability, and even questions your content should answer. Just input your target keyword and watch ClearScope create a custom template that will guide you through creating an SEO-optimized piece of content in no time flat. The AI video creation tool that saves you hours if you're not using video in your marketing yet, 2023 is the year to start. And with Lumen 5 sister product, Vidnami, creating professional-grade videos has never been easier or faster. Just input a script, and Vidnami will automatically create an entire animated video for you, complete with transitions, background music, and even a voiceover. It has templates for explainer videos, social media ads, and even sales letters. If the idea of making videos stresses you out, Vidnami is about to become your new best friend. The AI chatbot that can replace your customer support. If you're still manually answering customer inquiries, you're wasting countless hours every week. With a tool like Mobile Monkey, you can set up an AI chatbot in minutes that will automatically answer your most common customer questions 24/7, and it's smart enough to know when to route more complex issues to a human. It integrates with platforms like Facebook Messenger, so your customers can get instant answers without ever leaving their favorite messaging app. If you want to reduce your support load by up to 90%, an AI chatbot is the way to go. Well, there you have it, the only 5 AI tools you absolutely need in 2023 to stay ahead of the competition. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want more cutting-edge tech tips like these every single week. Stay tuned for my next video, where I'll be revealing the 5 biggest AI trends that will dominate 2024. See you there.